Right, now we are going to discuss about theorem related the triangles, right? That means any type of triangles suitable for this theorem, right? For any triangle we can apply this theorem. What's the theorem? Sum of angles of a triangles. Sum of angles of a triangles. Right, you think the triangle given, then you can see the magnitudes of the three angles. You think this angle magnitude A, this angle magnitude B, this angle magnitude C. Then there is the theorem. What's the theorem? Any triangle, you know, include there are three angles, right? The theorem is sum of the interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. That means sum of these three angles should be equal to 180 degrees. Sum mean what? Addition. So I can write the theorem like this: A plus this one magnitude A, this one magnitude B, this one magnitude C. Then these three angles sum is equal to 180 degrees. Right? It is the theorem. For the questions, you can apply this theorem, the necessary positions. Okay? Right. Then we can go to do some examples using applying this relationship. Right, now let's go to do some questions related the sum of interior angles is 180 degrees of a triangle. You think the question given like this triangle, you have to find the magnitude of x, right? You think this angle given 65 degrees, this one given 38 degrees, and this angle is x. Then we have to find the magnitude of x. How we can find this one? You can apply the theorem. There are three angles you can see, x, 38 and 65. So according to the theorem, I can write x plus 38 plus 65 equal 180 degrees. What's the reason? Sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Then we can solve this equation. How you can solve? X, then you can add these two values, 38 plus 65. What is the answer? 8 plus 5, 13, remaining 1. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 6, 10. 103 equal 180. Then we have to remove this 103 from this side. This 103 connect with x using the addition. So to remove 103, what you have to do? You have to put both sides minus 103. Then x plus 103 minus 103 equal 180 minus 103. Then plus 103 and minus 103 cancel. So x equal, we can get the value of it, 10 minus 3, 7. 7 minus 0, 7. 1 minus 1, 0. So what is the magnitude of it? X equal 77 degrees. I think you can understand how we can apply this theory like these questions, right? Using the theorem, we can find the magnitudes of the angles, right? Then let's go to do another example. Right, the next example given, this angle is a right angle, this angle is 53 degrees, and this one given x. Then also we can apply the theorem, no? Right, you know the theorem, sum of these three angles should be 180 degrees, because any triangle sum of angles should be 180 degrees. It is a theorem. Then I can write the simple equation x plus 53 plus 90 degrees equal 180 degrees. What's the reason? Because sum of angles of a triangle 180 degrees. Then we can solve this one. X plus, I can add these two. The answer is 143 equal 180. Then we can remove this plus 130 from this side. To remove it, you have to put both sides minus 143. Then these two cancel. X equal, what is the answer? 180 minus 143. 10 minus 7. 10 minus 3, 7. 7 minus 4, 3. So what is the answer? 37. Right? The answer is 37. Right? Are you clear? Right? It is very easy, no? Geometry is very easy part of the mathematics. Right, then another one question we can go to discuss. Next, I am going to discuss another question related this theorem. Right, let's go to discuss it. Right, you think this angle is 5x, this angle is x, and this angle 30. Then we have to find the magnitude of x. Right, using the diagram we have to find the magnitude of x. You can understand this triangle is which type? It is an obtuse angle triangle, no? Then any type of triangles I can apply the theorem. What's the theorem? Sum of three angles 180 degrees. What are the three angles? X, 5x and 30. X plus 5x plus 30 equal 180 degrees. Then we can solve this equation. These two are the like terms, no? X plus 5x. X means 1x. 1x plus 5x means 6x. 6x plus 30 equal 180. Then I can remove this plus 30. To remove this plus 30, what you have to do? You have to put both sides minus 30. Then plus 30 minus 30 cancel. 6x equal 150. To find x, we have to remove 6. To remove 6, what you have to do? Both sides you have to divide by 6. Opposite mathematical operation you have to do. So 6x we can divide by 6. Also 150 we can divide by 6. Then this 6 and 6 cancel. So x equal, what is the answer? 15 divided 6, 2. 2 times 6, 12. 15 minus 12 is 3. 30. 30 divided 6, 5. So what is the answer? X equal 25. Right. Now I think today's lesson you can understand well. This theory is not difficult. Right? Very easy theory. Then we can meet with next video